Today we are going to make the background of our planets. So we will be using Tempera Cakes, both the primary secondary colors and then some of the intermediate colors. And for this, the brighter the better. You're also going to be using, you're going to have a cup of water and a big watercolor brush, a paper towel to clean out any of the paints, and plastic wrap. Before you start, you should, any colors that you're thinking of using, you should get wet first so that they're easy to grab, as we have to paint pretty quickly before we put on the plastic wrap. So I would just get all the paints that you think you're going to use wet so it's easier to grab. Then you're ready to paint. Now again, we have to put the plastic wrap on before it dries. In fact, we have to put it on when it's still pretty wet. So you have to make sure you're using plenty of water and paint. So I'm going to start. It's going to look kind of messy. We're not going to be very careful about where we're painting. You want to maybe spread out, balance the different colors. You could use all cool colors, you could use all warm colors, you could do a combination of the two. I'm constantly getting more water, constantly getting more paint. Don't worry about making a mess. Painting fairly quickly, not worried so much about what it looks right now. These are going to be the colors of our planet. So however you envision your planets to be, those are the colors that you do want to paint. Then you'll notice some of it is already dry, so before I put the saran wrap, I'm going to go over it a little bit more so that it's nice and wet. Then I'm going to take the saran wrap and I'm going to put it right over my artwork. You don't want it to lay flat. You do want it to create kind of those creases. And then you will rip it off. Now you'll notice I didn't get it on all of it, so I can take a little bit more. You don't want a ton more, but you can take a little bit more to get to create all those creases. We want to see those lines when it dries. Those will bring some texture into our planets. And you are done.